Hi guys, welcome back with another video. In this video, we will clone multiple WhatsApp apps in Android mobile. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, open your Play Store app and search here clone app. Clone app. Search it. And here you can see fourth one app is clone app. So click on it. So you need to install it. I have already installed. After install, click to open. So here you can see I have cloned many Facebook apps already. Now we are cloning WhatsApp apps. So click on plus, scroll down, and here you can see WhatsApp and click on plus. So here you can see one WhatsApp app is created. So if you want to create more apps, then click again on plus, scroll down, and click on WhatsApp plus. So here you can see second WhatsApp is created. Like this you can create multiple WhatsApp accounts. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share.